Fortyfour, a charming and unique home nestled between two terraces in Islington, London, has undergone a remarkable renovation that has preserved its historic character while infusing it with contemporary elements. Built in the 1870s by the owner of the neighbouring end-of-terrace house, Fortyfour stands out with its distinctive blue façade and small stature. It is affectionately known as the Blue House by the local community. The renovation project focused on preserving the building's original structure, including its façade, side walls, foundation, and beams. The back of the house was extended to the property boundary on the upper floor, while the lower floor retains a smaller, maintained terrace. Subtle external alterations, such as new, slender-framed windows and a fresh parapet, complement the building's historic charm. The interior of the ground floor is designed as a minimalist yet textured space, anchored by three distinct joinery elements that add a refined and abstract touch. The terrace windows open fully, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. Mirrored upper cabinet doors enhance the spatial feel, offering surprising views. The upper level houses 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Each featuring a skylight for ample natural light and ventilation. Cork flooring and lime-rendered walls and ceilings provide warmth, sound insulation, and a textured aesthetic. The renovation of Fortyfour showcases how historic buildings can be adapted to modern living standards while preserving their original character. The project demonstrates that a thoughtful approach to design can create both stunning and intimate living spaces that respect the past and embrace the future.